Case-sensitive searching can now be conducted using Concord's new Search Options menu. Case-sensitive searching allows you to limit your search results to match the exact case, uppercase or lowercase, of the word you typed into the search bar. For example, if you are interested in seeing all of the instances in which the word truth appeared in the books with a capital T, you could do this by entering the word truth with a capital T into the search bar. You could then come down to the word Search Options and click to open up the new Search Options menu. Next, you'll move your mouse to the gray button across from the words Case-sensitive search. Clicking on this button will activate case-sensitive search and cause the words case-sensitive to appear in a small blue box below the search bar. If you move your mouse to the magnifying glass beside of the search bar and click on that magnifying glass, your search results will show only those instances in the books in which the word truth with a capital T appears. Any instance in which truth appears with a lowercase t will not be included in your search results. To clear case-sensitive searching, and therefore see results of both uppercase and lowercase words, you can click on the X in a circle at the side of the search bar, or click on the word Search Options to reopen the Search Options menu, and then use the blue Reset button in the bottom to turn case-sensitive searching off. If we run this exact search again without case-sensitive searching, you'll see that now instances in the books in which truth appears with both a lowercase and capital T appear in our search results.